Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hello. Welcome to day 4 of our 30 days of English mastery.
If this is your first time watching us, welcome. We are Lisa and Mark, and every day we learn English in a simple and fun way.
That's right. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so every new episode reaches you right away.
Yesterday, we talked about family and friends. Today, we have a new topic.
Today's topic is my daily morning routine.
This is a very useful topic because we all wake up every day, right? So today, you'll learn how to talk about your morning in English, step by step, simply and slowly.
Great! Today we'll learn how to talk about your morning in English, from the moment you wake up until you leave the house. Let's get started.
So Lisa, what time do you wake up every morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you, Mark?
I wake up at 6:30. I like to wake up early.
So we just learned a very important sentence. I wake up at...
Let's repeat together. I wake up at 7 o'clock. One more time slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Try saying it out loud with Mark and tell us in the comments what time you wake up.
After I wake up, I turn off my alarm. Do you use an alarm clock, Lisa?
Yes, I use my phone alarm. My alarm rings at 7 o'clock every day.
Okay, next step. After I wake up, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth too. And then I wash my face.
Great. Let's learn these simple actions together. Brush my teeth, take a shower, wash my face.
Let's make a full sentence. Every morning, I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Repeat with me slowly. I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Excellent! These are sentences you'll use every day, so try to memorize them well.
Lisa, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs, and I drink a cup of coffee. What about you?
I eat cereal with milk and I drink orange juice.
Let's learn some simple breakfast vocabulary. Bread, eggs, coffee, milk, orange juice.
Let's practice the question. What do you eat for breakfast? And the answer, I eat for breakfast.
Now let's switch roles. Mark, you ask me.
Okay, Lisa, what do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee in the morning. Now you answer, Mark. What do you drink?
I drink orange juice.
Try the same question and answer with yourself or with your friends. It will really help you practice conversation.
After breakfast, I get dressed. I put on my clothes.
Me too. I get dressed and I choose my clothes for the day.
Simple phrase. I get dressed after breakfast.
Repeat with us. I get dressed after breakfast. Simple and easy, right?
Finally, I leave the house at 8 o'clock and I go to work.
I leave the house at 8:30 and I go to work too.
Let's learn. I leave the house at and I go to work/I go to school.
If you're a student, you'll say, I go to school. If you're an employee, you'll say, I go to work.
Perfect. Now you know the full journey of a morning routine, from waking up to leaving the house.
All right, let's summarize everything we learned today in a simple model. Listen with me.
Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then, I eat breakfast, bread and eggs with coffee. After that, I get dressed, and I leave the house at 8 o'clock to go to work.
See? All these sentences are simple and short, and you can use them to talk about your morning routine with confidence.
My tip for you today? Don't worry about making mistakes. Just practice speaking every day, even alone in your room.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes. What matters is that you practice every day, even alone in front of the mirror. Practicing every day, you'll notice yourself improving.
Now it's your turn. We have a simple question for you.
Today's question. What time do you wake up, and what do you eat for breakfast?
Write your answer in the comments below. In English. Don't be shy. We will read your answers.
Write to us in the comments, and we will read them all and reply to you.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a like. Share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are also learning English like you. Stay with us tomorrow for day 5.
See you tomorrow, everyone. Keep practicing.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.